Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anna, this is Veggie VSG, and this is what I eat in a day. Yet again, you guys seem to really enjoy these videos. I get requests to do them on my Instagram all the time, so here's another one. Today is kind of a busy day. It's Monday. We have a lot of leftovers from the weekend. We had a big, not a big, but we had our family over for dinner. Of course, social distancing, but now we have a bunch of food, so we're just trying to eat through what we have. Hence why we're starting today with a salad for breakfast. It is 10:32, so it is pretty late in the day, and I am going to have this salad here. So I'm gonna do like a Southwest salad. We have sweet potatoes, corn chili, salsa, nutritional yeast, croutons, bada bing, bada boom, and then I'll probably add some bacon bits, salt, pepper, and then for a dressing, I think I'm gonna do half barbecue sauce, half ranch. So we'll see what this looks like. I know it's a weird breakfast, but we had lettuce that was gonna go bad and also these sweet potatoes we need to eat up. So just trying to use what we already have. All right, you know when you're just like, nothing's going your way? That's literally what just happened. So I prepped the salad, here it is. But first of all, the bacon bits, I thought it was a shaker and it was completely open. So bacon bits went everywhere. There is way too many of them in the salad, but I tried my best to scoop it out. And then like the hot water started overflowing on the oven or the stove, and then the sweet potatoes in the air fryer, I heated them up and they were just going everywhere. It was just a mess, but here is my salad. I'm gonna get a fork, not a spoon, and yeah, this is gonna be breakfast, lunch, brunch, whatever you wanna call it. Alright, back to what I eat in the day. I'm working. It is 3:09 p.m. I just had the salad, that was it. I'm having the leftover french fries we made in the air fryer, so there's no added oil, and I'm having some ketchup mayo dip with the fries. So don't judge me, just eating what we got, and I'll catch you probably around dinner time. Alright, I just got out of the shower, hence the wet hair and fresh face. I'm gonna have some dinner. It's about 5:30. I'm about to watch 90 Day Fiancé. And I have some Tofurky turkey slices, like deli slices. So I think I'm gonna make a sandwich because I don't want them to go bad, or maybe like a wrap or something. So let's see what I make. Alright guys, so this is what I ended up making for dinner. I would call it a panini because it was pressed on the stovetop, but it is Tofurky oven roasted slices, which I think taste the most similar to turkey. And then I had the Chow red pepper cheese, I forget what it's called, with a little bit of mayo, and it's nice and charred on the outside. I actually burnt the bottom, but it was delicious. Absolutely phenomenal. All right, I also forgot to talk about my late night snack slash dessert, but here it is. It is just a bunch of sliced up strawberries with whipped cream layered throughout, and then some chocolate syrup, and Colin added a little granola on top. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.